Hi guys, Sidra here, and I have partnered up with Shaver Shop Australia to answer your questions about the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL hair removing system. Now, what is IPL, you ask? So, IPL technology uses a broad spectrum light which travels through your skin in through your hair shaft and targets the hair producing follicle. It heats up the hair follicle and destroys the node that produces the hair. This is actually the main reason why you should shave before using the IPL. And I say shave, not wax. Let's elaborate on that. Before starting the treatment, your skin should be free of any visible hair. If you have hair growing on your skin, the IPL light will get absorbed by the hair and not reach all the way to the node. This is when the second question comes through. Can I wax? No, you can't. Because what happens is that wax pulls out the hair along with the follicle. In order for the IPL technology to work properly, the hair follicle should be remaining. Now let's talk about skin tone. IPL is effective on most skin tones, especially our olive complexion. It's perfect for it. The only skin tone that it does not work on is very, very dark skin tone. Also, the kind of hair that IPL targets, it works the best on darkest, coarsest hair. And I can attest to that. The only hair that it is not effective on is very fine blonde hair, red hair, or white or gray hair. So if you have that sort of hair, it might not be the perfect thing for you. In my personal experience, I have noticed that the areas where I had the darkest, thickest hair, that's where the most difference has been made. Like, for example, my legs are where I had really thick hair. However, areas like my upper lip, where the skin is naturally a little finer, they have taken a little longer. I have seen a difference in that as well, in the growth, but still, that is my personal experience. Now let me show you all the accessories that come with the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL hair removing system. Now this is the beautiful white and gold pouch it came in, the actual machine itself. It comes with power cables and also a razor. These are the two heads. This one is for the body and this one is the precision head. And then this hair is my hair growth situation. The last I used the IPL was over a month ago. You can see that there are some patches where there has been absolutely no hair growth, and then there are places where I have hair but very light. So I am now ready to use the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5. I have shaved my arms and I also went ahead and shaved my face. For my face, I used the facial razor, and now I am ready to go and show you how I use it on my body. My favorite thing and the reason that I chose the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 is because it has the Senso Adapt technology. It adapts to your skin tone. You do not have to change the settings or anything. That is the smart feature. On our body, we have different skin tones. My face would be a different shade than my arms, and the top of my arms would be a different shade than the bottom part of my arms. So this adapts to your skin tone. The good part is when the machine is in the perfect position, that's when the light is white. If it is not perfectly in contact with my skin, it will be red, and even if I press the button, it will not fire the flash. That is also one of my most favorite features about it. So I have it over here and it's in perfect contact, and I'm going to flash it. The pain is literally minimal. For someone who has gone through years of waxing all her life, as you can see, I am hardly flinching. And there. You should not go over one area more than once. One flash is enough in one area, and try to cover as much as you can. My upper lip. As you can see, it was red. That means it wasn't aligned perfectly. If it's not aligning perfectly, wiggle it around till the light is white. Once it's white, press the button, flash. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes as well. This is actually quite fast. It takes me less than 5 minutes to do my face and neck, and it has 44,000 flashes. That is the best thing about the newest model. That means that these flashes will last you 22 years if one person is using it. To use it on my arms, I'm just going to switch the head. I'm going to take off the smaller head and put on the larger area head. You can even do it with the smaller one. I'll just go with this, and that's how easy it is to change. Switch it on and then just start it on the arms. So with my arms, I'll do the same thing. Make sure it's in contact. Make sure that the light is white before I press the button. And there. You can even keep going without removing it. That makes it quicker. Just keep your hand on the button and keep going. As you can see, it barely hurts. I'm not even flinching. It takes me 40 to 45 minutes to do my whole body, which includes my face, full arms, underarms, full legs, stomach, and bikini line. And yes, I go all the way. You can use it on your bikini line, but you cannot use it on your genitals since the skin there is darker and it's a very sensitive area. You do not want to be irritated over there. I also got asked if pregnant or breastfeeding moms can use it. There is no research. It has not been tested on pregnant or breastfeeding women. So my suggestion would be to consult your doctor and ask them if it's safe to use. Now let's be truthful. This is not a magic pill. You don't use it once and your hair magically disappears. You have to keep using it. The frequency that I used it with was initially I was using it every week, once a week. You do not use it more frequently than that. And then I started spacing it out to 2 weeks. Eventually it was to 1 month, and now I keep doing it as and when needed. But to think you pull it out of the box once in 6 months and use it and then expect it to work on you, that's not how it works. That's not how anything works. Now let's talk about the side effects. I have not experienced any. I do not have sensitive skin. If you do have sensitive skin, I do suggest that you start with the extra gentle setting. And that is what I do actually for my bikini line. I keep it on gentle. After using, what you can do, if you get any redness, apply aloe vera gel on it. That would help settle it down. If you use it on your face, apply sunscreen, avoid sun exposure immediately after using it. Overall, I am pretty satisfied with this little device, which has made my life a lot easier. I have seen a reduction in hair growth, and what it has helped me with is the reduction of ingrown hair on my arms and legs, on my face, because I'm constantly not getting it waxed. My skin has started to heal much better. I do not get as many breakouts as I used to get with threading or waxing. So it has helped me with that. I am perfectly happy with the money I spent on it. So this was just my little effort to share my experience with you guys. I am not an expert, so I can't answer every question that you have, but I have tried my best. If you still have any queries, you can put them in the comments and I will try my best to answer the way that I can. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you found this video helpful.